This is the Algo Futures Trader weekly market roundup, and just going to take you through some of the trades for the week last week, which was July 4th here in the US, the week of the holiday. So this was the 5th of July. Obviously the markets were closed on the 4th. On the 5th, when the markets reopened, at least the stock market reopened, futures traded a half day on the Monday prior, but this was the S&P or the MES, and this broke out to the short side. And the way the software works out of the box is it's going to trade in this case 3 micro lots, and it's going to take 2 off at a first target, and it's going to trail with a trailing stop on the last contract. So this came down, hit the first target here. So we got short here, hit the first target here on 2 contracts, and then stopped on the last. So one of the things we noticed pretty early on in the week is market conditions were getting choppy. So if you looked at the daily chart, we started to kind of consolidate, trade in a range. So that was Tuesday's trading. I think because of the choppiness, we didn't take any trade on Wednesday. And then Thursday, here was the Dow, and the Dow was actually had an outside gap up, which usually means it wants to trend higher. And the markets overall moved higher, except the Dow. So we got in here on a breakout to the long side, and then ended up getting stopped. Now it didn't really sell off, but it couldn't really go higher. It went a little bit higher during the day, but it was really, really choppy. So that was actually the first losing trade. I think we in the room we've got to go back to June 7th, I think, before the last losing trade we had. So it's been about a month since we had a losing trade. So we were due. And then on Friday we did come back. This was the NQ. Again, it was fairly choppy in the morning, but we stuck to the long side, got into the long side, got 2 contracts off, and then stopped on the third here with a slight profit on the last. But it wasn't a fantastic trading week, at least after, at the open. If you continue to trade later in the day, there may be, more opportunities. But in the room, the trading room, which you can join for free in the Discord server there, links below. We just try to get on the right side, the first, kind of the opening trade in the morning. Pick which market that we think is going to break out and get some follow through. Pick the right market, right direction. So that was the trading week. Again, you can download this software for free, use it in sim mode as long as you want. There's no time limit on that. In fact, we recommend you spend at least a month in sim before you even think about purchasing a license or leasing a license. All right, all the links are below. Look forward to seeing you in the Discord server in the trade room. Again, that's free. And have a great trading week. We'll see you next week.